It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today is going to be a super fun and exciting day because we're going to watch a happy and colourful nature drawing come to life. Are you ready to use your imagination? Yay! Can you guess what we're making today? Is it something in the sky or something on the ground? Or maybe both? That's right. It's a beautiful nature scene with a happy boy and girl enjoying the outdoors. We're going to see lots of bright colours, fun shapes, and a peaceful place that feels warm and cheerful. It's like going on a tiny adventure without leaving your seat. So sit back, relax, and keep your eyes wide open. This is going to be exciting. We did it! Look at our drawing! So fun and amazing! Are you ready to add some colours next? Let's make our drawing super bold. Follow the lines around the house, over the hills, and the shining sun. So many beautiful colours. Our drawing looks super fun and full of magic. It's colouring time. Let's fill it with lots of pretty colours. Colour blue. Okay, friends, let's start with the fluffy cloud. Look how soft and puffy it is, like a big pillow floating in the sky. Do you think it's drifting slowly or zooming across the sky on a little adventure? Whoosh! Maybe it's playing hide and seek with the sun or the birds. Ha 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 ha. Colour brown. Okay, friends, I'm going to colour the mountain on the right brown. On this mountain, I think the little animals who live here are maybe tiny mountain goats or playful squirrels. Hehehe. Look how tall and strong this mountain is. It's like a big cozy home for all its little friends. Maybe birds fly around the top, singing happy songs for everyone below. I love how this mountain looks so mighty, watching over our boy, girl, and house. Wow, it makes our nature scene feel alive and full of fun adventures. Okay, friends, now I'm going to colour the mountain on the left. On this mountain, I think the little animals who live here could be tiny rabbits or maybe even a sneaky fox. Hey, hey, look at how tall and grand it is, almost touching the sky. Maybe clouds rest on its peak, or the sun's rays shine down to keep everyone warm. I love how this mountain looks like it's protecting our boy, girl, and house. Wow, it makes our nature scene feel full of life, adventure, and happy little friends. Colour orange. First, I'm going to colour the rays of the sun orange. Look at all those long, happy rays stretching out in every direction. Wow, ha ha, they're like little arms giving a warm hug to our whole scene. Yeah, the rays make everything feel bright and full of energy. Colour yellow. Next, I colour the ball of the sun yellow. Look at it, so round, big and cheerful, right in the sky looking over our drawing. The yellow sun is super important because it lights up the whole world in our drawing. Hey, now our sun is shining perfectly, making our nature drawing feel lively, magical, and full of fun. Colour green. Haha, what if a mountain sneezed? Achoo! Do you think it would shake the forest, splash the river, or tickle the clouds? Oh, wow! Our mountains are full of surprises! Do the mountains like rainbows? Yes! They love it when the sky paints them with bright colours. Maybe a rainbow even tickles the mountain tips and makes them giggle. Silly mountains. mountains are home for so many animals. Baby bears nap in caves, birds build nests on ledges, and little insects explore every nook and cranny. Wow, our mountains are full of life. Maybe the mountains are whispering little secrets to each other. Shh, don't tell anyone. What do you think they're saying? I see the river. Or, hello, little sun. Now I'm going to colour the river blue. Look at it. It's flowing gently through our drawing, winding past the mountains and the house. Maybe our boy and girl sometimes take a little swim here. I think little fish and ducks might live in the river too, swimming and playing all day. The river is so important in our drawing because it makes everything feel lively and peaceful at the same time. Maybe the water is sparkling under the sun's warm rays, making our scene look extra happy. Wow, our river looks so fun and magical now. It's like it's singing a little river song for all our friends. Look at our little bird. I think it's practicing its flying tricks. Maybe it's doing tiny flips in the sky. Can you flap your arms like the bird? Whoosh, watch it go. Tweet, tweet. Now it's time to colour our happy little boy. Look at him. He's so full of energy and fun. Let's colour nice and carefully. Do you think he's running around exploring? Maybe he's ready to wave hello to someone. He looks so cheerful and playful, like he's about to start a big, exciting adventure. I love how happy he looks already. Colour purple. Let's colour the boy's pants purple. Colour pink. Let's colour our sweet little girl. Look at her happy face. She's so cheerful and ready for fun. Wonderful. Do you think she's skipping around or playing with the boy? Maybe she's saying hello or looking at the flowers nearby. She looks so kind and joyful, ready to enjoy a perfect day in nature. Don't forget to subscribe, friends. Colour red. Okay, friends, I'm going to colour the roof red because it makes the house look warm and cozy. Let's colour gently, up and down, nice and smooth. Do you think a tiny bird could sit on top of it? Wow, look at that. Our roof is so strong and happy now, just like a big hat for the house. Are you enjoying watching, friends? Next, I colour the walls yellow because it makes the house look bright and cheerful. Let's colour slowly, up and down, smooth strokes. Great job. Maybe someone is peeking out the window and smiling at us. Hello. Our house is looking so happy and sunny now. Do you think our little bird is happy? Yes, it's smiling and flapping its wings because it loves flying over the mountains, river, and our boy and girl. Now, let's colour the door purple because it makes the house look fun and magical. Let's colour carefully. Who do you think is going to open the door? Maybe a little friend is coming to play. Ha ha ha. Our house is all ready for fun adventures with our boy, girl, and cloud. I just love how all the parts of our drawing work together. Look at the sun. It's shining so brightly, warming the mountains and making everything feel cozy. The clouds are floating softly in the sky, like little pillows drifting above us. The river winds gently through the scene, and I think it's singing a little happy song as it flows, maybe even splashing our boy and girl every now and then. And look at our boy and girl. They're running around, exploring, laughing, and having so much fun. Maybe they're playing hide and seek behind the mountains or chasing each other along the river. Doesn't it look like the happiest little adventure ever?
Wow!
Ta-da! We did it! Our drawing looks so happy and colourful. Did you have fun watching, friends? I hope you did. Don't forget to subscribe so we can go on more fun drawing adventures together. See you on the next video, friends.